Knockan Crag. This is the rock interpretations place here. But we got a couple guys sitting on the bench here. I don't know who they are, but sounding pretty good. And see who they are. I don't know. But here's the interpretation center. Well, walking down to this castle for lunch here, and here's some water here. First one in line. This gets a little cool when the sun goes behind a cloud. And there's the old castle ruins up ahead where we're going to. So he said follow this trail. So it's a little bit of a walk to lunch. I should have put my other jacket on because it's a little chilly. But I'll survive once I have a sandwich here. So okay, let's go to the castle. Well, it looks like we're having lunch by the tent here because we got the natural habitat flag flying. We have tables and chairs, a right nice setup for all of us here. And we've got national habitat flag flying to mark the spot. And we have a right nice setup with tables and chairs and liquid refreshment too.
Yeah, welcome. And blue skies.
I think this will be good here then. Yes, indeed. Okay. And here's our table here. And we have wine on the table. We have brews here, of which I'm getting one here. And I'm getting a nice IPA. Well, okay.
Good stuff.
Ardvreck Castle, which is right here. We're going to go up have a look at it here. There it is. And we're coming back from where we had our lunch over there in that inflatable tent. So let's go up and take a look at the castle here. Well, here's the castle. You gotta watch where I'm stepping because it's uneven ground here. And see how it is. Trying to get up here. Gotta go up a little hill here. A little bit of an effort. Okay, we're close to the castle now. Oh, we got a grate in there. Ooh, look at that. Look at all the ruins up there. This is closed off in the bottom. I guess that's where the low rent district is down there. I'll go up here. Uneven ground here. Oh, that looks a little treacherous going up there. Maybe there's an easier way. Well, I climbed up to the top here. It's a little tough coming up, and unfortunately I have to figure out a way to go back down too. And this is after a glass of wine here, so I have to be really careful where I'm walking so I don't fall, and to get over to the other side. And let's see if I can balance myself here. Okay, there we go. Up at the top here. I'm going to turn the camera around so we can have a little bit better view. Okay, here's the top of the castle. I'm up at the top here. We're going to look around and see, oh, we can see the water's out here. You normally have water close to a castle here, so there we go. Nice view here. Real cool. This is just the ruins here because it's all left here as to what it is. I'm going to walk over here carefully, very carefully. Keep trying to keep my my balance here, picking my spots as I go along here. So come down here. There we got some other folks from our group down at the other side there, and they're looking out here, and we're seeing our tent where we had lunch over there on the side, but I'm up here so you can see how I am. And I'm going to take out the other camera here in a second and take a little rest before I start heading down. Okay, Ed Gatley signing off. Bye-bye. Here's the other side of the castle. We got the sun that's going in and out. So, or the ruins of the castle here. So it looks pretty good. I made it down safely. So that was the big thing. And I'll take a couple pictures with my cell phone. I didn't bring my other camera with me. It was too much to carry here. So, okay. This is just another view of the castle from a different angle. Like I said, sun and clouds, so the sun's going in and out. And you can go inside here, get a closer look, and see what's in this hole here. And we'll take a look in here. And I don't think there's anything in there except garbage. Okay. There's the castle. They're very small castles. They said people didn't have a lot of money. This is very tiny, teeny tiny little castle ruins here. Like a 2-bedroom castle, I guess, here. But in a good spot, nice and high by the water, so you can see everybody around you. And as we came by on the other side, they're tearing down our tent over there where we had lunch. So I'm going to head back up to the bus now. And you got your water over here. And the bus is back up along that trail. So let's head on out. Okay, Ed Gatley signing off, June 7th, 2019 in Scotland.